Hi everyone. Welcome back with the Fourth Sudoku, a four-star Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, July the 4th, 2020. We have here a four-star Sudoku, but before I start, I want to count the digits or the numbers in this puzzle. Probably 24, but let us check this if it's correct. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 11, 14 plus 3 17, plus 3 is 20, 24 we have here. Correct, 24. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And then in the last row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then let me see for the number. Yeah, we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row, the last row, so the row between. The only two places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. In this middle column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. We see here also a 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 9? 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3, 6, and 8. Alright. How about the number 8 in this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. These 3 numbers are the numbers 4, 5, and 3. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 3 and a 5 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 6, I believe. Yes, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8, 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be in one of these 2 boxes. I marked them so you can follow it easier. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. We have a 1 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then Let me see. 8 supposed to be the 5, the 6. How about the 7? Yeah. Let me think. 6. 2, 2. Alright. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 3. 3, 3. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3, 6, and 8. Yes. Okay. The 9. We have a pair here in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 and a 9 here. So no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 and the 9 goes in those boxes. The other 2 numbers, missing numbers here, are the 1 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, these 2 boxes for the 1. And I see here also a 1 in those 2 boxes. So in this row, we have 4 missing numbers. The second row, one of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here a 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or could be there. We see here also a 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then 6, the 3, 3, 6, 3, and the 2, 2. Yes. These 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2. No 2 there. We see there 2. No 2 there. So 1 place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the number 6 and 3. 6 and 3. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And I eliminated the 1. So the 1 should be here. Now I have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. Alright. And all the ones are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2, 2. Yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. Here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 5, 6, and 4. 6, 4, and 8. Alright. We have here 2 numbers left in this column. Should be the number 4 and the 8. Let me mark them, 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8. Alright. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 3, 9, and 5. Yes, we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 9. 3, 9, and the 6 is missing. Alright. 3, 6, 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. Then 3, 3. Okay. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 5. We have a 5 here, 5 there. Yes. How about here? These 2 boxes are reserved for the 5. 5 here, 5 there. Yes. 5, 5. These 2 boxes should be for the 5. And here could be everywhere. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Now I have eliminated the 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Now I have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be an 8 and this should be a 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 5 and 6. Yes, 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. Let me mark them, 3 and 8. So we have 9, 9. And 5 and the 7. 7 should be here. And okay. 8, 8, 8. Okay. How about 6? Yes, 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row above. The only 2 places for the 6. Here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. So I have eliminated the 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5. Here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 4 and 3. Okay. Yeah. How about one number left in this column for the number 9? Now I have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9, this should be a 3, and this should be a 9. We have a 9 there, so this should be a 3. One number left in this big square for the number 6. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 3. Yeah, look, we have a pair here, 8 and 3. How about these three numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 4 should be in these two boxes because we have a 4 there. The 7 we have there, so these two boxes should be 7. And the 9 we have here, so the 9 goes together with the pair with the 4. Yes, so the 4 and the 9, this should be a 7. 3 and the 8, 3 and the 8 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. One box left for this big square for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the middle column, 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be here, because we have an 8 there, no 8 here, 8 should be here. I have marked this, 8 and 3, this should be the 3, 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 3, here or there, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. This should be the 4 and this should be the 9. One box left for this big square for the number 9. And the last two numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 17 minutes. Wow. Quicker than, faster than the previous two numbers. Yes, previous Sudokus. Yes, I'm very well pleased. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 5th Sudoku. That will be a binary Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.